So this is a Ruby. Today I am a Ruby the mechanic, and today I'm here at this car store. This is where we buy all the car stuff that we need. Anything concerning a car, you get it here. So today Arubi is gonna be the mechanic. He's gonna be servicing the car. My car has the back brakes which needs to be repaired, and I'm gonna buy some brake pads, and then here in this building, and then I will be working on it today. So today that's the job we're gonna do. That's the project. As usual, we always have a project to do, and today this is gonna be the project that Arubi is gonna do. So keep tuned and watch what we're gonna do, and until we are done. So this is the beginning of the day. Is around 9 o'clock here, and I'm gonna walk in there, get all the stuff I need. I need to change the oil, I need to fix the brakes, and then I'm ready for the winter, because if I wait it will be very cold to do anything outside in a couple of few weeks coming. So this is the right time to do the stuff so that the car will be running easy without any problem during the winter. No problem of going to the workshop or to the garage to get oil changed, to get the brakes fixed. So when my brakes are ready, I'll be ready for the winter. That's the plan right now that we have. So keep watching, and I'll show you more about the project of today. Thank you for watching. This is Arubi. Keep subscribing, and also share, comment, and also like. Thank you. So today we are here at the AutoZone. This is a company that sells car stuff. Everything car is here. So we are here today to buy the stuff to change the oil and change the brakes, and also to fix a few things in the car, just to make sure that it is serviced well and prepared and ready for the winter. So this is a nice shop here that has almost everything you would want from a car. So I'm just looking at the stuff that I would need, which are all here, and starting from here I'm gonna show you how we do the oil change and the changing of the brakes. All this, you can see all this here, tags, everything. Anyway, I'm gonna show you how we can change the brakes, and also how we change the oil. Theoretically, I would need this machine. That is a nice jack. That is a nice jack that would make the work so easy that I will go the normal way I do stuff. So I have this tray, you can improvise. I have this one here, but if you like you can go with this one, or you can do the one which is sealed like that, but I would just go the normal way. Otherwise I'll pick up my oil here and the brake pads and brake stuff that I need, and then I will go back there and start working. So this is AutoZone, and we have everything here that we need. So as we go on, I'll show you how the day will go. It's right now 9 o'clock here in the morning. I want to start early to do stuff quickly, and so that I can finish up as early as possible. So these are different aisles that has different stuff here, spraying, cleaning, everything. And then we have here, we have the wipers, all types of wipers, cheap, middle, expensive, super expensive, everything is here. here, you just come and tell them what you want, and they give it to you. These are the wheel covers, any type you want. These are the car mats, any type. You have leather, plastic, anything you want. And those are the studs. These are the stud nuts for locking your car, so that you have a key lock that nobody can open and get away with your tires. So all these are here for you anytime. You just have to ask what you want. These are the spanners, everything, electric, manual, everything. Yeah, I like this shop because everything is organized in a nice, orderly way. And there you go. So if you want to improvise on your brakes, you can put those ones tags on your brake. When you step there on them, you feel like you're racing, like in a racing car. Yeah, if you want, you can improvise these ones also. Make sure that your tires are nicely looking. Yeah, so all these are here for you to make a choice of what you want. Yeah. And also something that is called deer warning. This is very important during the month of October, November. That is the deer's mating season. That the deer comes out and they are jumping all over the road, so they can cross your road when you are driving at high speed. And I'm telling you, they're very dangerous. That you always need this at the front of your car. This one works in a very special way. When you have this in front of your car, and under somewhere where the wind blows it makes some piping or piping sounds, and those sounds, they scare the deer. So when deer hears those sounds, they run away from the road. So that's why they are called deer warning. They just make some hissing sound that is not pleasant to the deer. When the wind blows on them, they make that crazy sound that it's not good for them. That scares them and irritates their ears, and they run away. So that's why we need it during this season of the year. Some people have other things to do, but a friend of mine told me that the deer jumped, and as he was driving, he entered just in the middle. The deer entered through the window and was struggling to get the deer out of the car. And then he ended up making an accident, which was terrible. So those are things that you have to be careful with when you're driving. Make sure that you are safe. You put those small things like deer warning. They're very important. I would need this for the changing of the oil filter, but I have one already, and I don't need one. There are different types. You can have that one also. Can grab it, and if it's shredded and is not opening up, you use this. Yeah, so everything is here that can help. I also have this that I can use in case there is a complication, that the cap is shredded and it's not coming out. You can use that. You can even use this plastic one. You wrap it around the thing and it opens and closes. Yeah, so those are the things that we have here for the car as at the moment. And these are the oil filters that we use for filtering the oil. So if you have the oil filter and you have this one here, you're good to go. Yeah, or this one. This is the one I use. It's still good, sliding a little bit, but I reinforce it and it works. So these are the air filters here. You can also buy here. Everything you can do yourself, because some of this information you can watch from others who have done them, or also you can just learn them. So I've done my research on so many stuff about a car, and now today Ruby the mechanic is gonna work on the car, and I will show you all that, how it is done. It's interesting. If you're interested, you'll enjoy. And some people say it's too much work, they just take it to the workshop. And you know me, I just like to do things on my own by myself, and that's why I'm gonna buy this stuff and then go and fix it. So keep watching. I'll give you more update. I'm gonna buy the stuff right now and put them ready to go and start the work. So let's go to work. So we're gonna start from here. This is the arrangement. So if you have these tools, you can do it yourself. If you don't have, you can go to the garage, and you can most of the time I recommend go to the garage and get it fixed if you never did it before. But I've done the front tires. I've never done the back ones. So these ones, the back ones here, the rear tires, is the same thing. If you know how to do the front, you can do the same at the back. And it's just taking out what is there and putting the new one in and close it back the way you opened it up. And if you miss a process or a step, you can go and do the reference in the YouTube, or check the way I'm doing it, and then you can know how to do it. So here I'm gonna do also, this is me, I'm gonna do the tire rotations too. I'm gonna take this backwards here, the back ones here, I take them in front, and the front ones I bring them back here. That way also helps with the rotating the tires, helps with the tire tear and wear happening all in the same, like the same tires get worn up here, the same way it will be worn up there. That's the good thing about tire rotation. I might be wrong. You can correct me on the comment section. Otherwise, this is do it yourself. These are the things you can do yourself, or you can go to the garage. There's options here for anybody to do it the way they want. Otherwise, I like to do things myself. What I can do and what I can't do, I'll take to the shop. So this is me. I'm gonna do it here. So I have something here for my knee pads. Yeah, I got that as a present when I went to that place. And this will be my knee pad for kneeling down when I'm doing this job here. It involves a little bit about kneeling down. And that is the jack that I'm used to raise the car up on this side. And I have another one here that I'm gonna use to raise the front one while I am rotating the tires back and forth. And then I have the jack here for the front area, and that for the back area, and I can reinforce it with these two stands. That way I don't, in case of any accident, it doesn't roll down or fall down on the ground, so it will be resting on these ones. So I have to put them all in, and then we start the job. So here, back here, I also made sure that I have these stones here to protect the tires from rolling in case you're moving them. And that is these are the stones that I put there to prevent it from rolling. Otherwise, it's ready. And after that, we'll show you what another project next what we're gonna do. Otherwise, this is the preparation. Have everything that I need, and now we can start. Let's go to work. We don't want to talk too much. We just want to go to work straight and start doing the job. We're gonna change the brakes and the brake pads, and these are the brake pads that I bought, the new ones. And one thing I love with these brake pads, this is called Everlast. Everlast are brake pads that they have warranty, and when you buy ones like this, you have the warranty on them. And let me tell you, when they wear out, you just take this one out, take them to the store, and you get a new one. How about that? You don't have to buy again once you buy once. You just go to the store, take these ones there, give them these ones, and they give you a new one. And I'm repeating, you take these ones, the old ones, out, take them to the store, they give you a new one. They give you new brakes. These are free after buying once. Get them free afterwards. So who doesn't want something like that? You work so hard, you pay for everything, and one time you get something for free, and it's your right. They tell you, if you buy these brakes, like now here, I bought this one time buying, that's it. Then you have lifetime warranty, which means you will be always taking these brakes back to the store where you bought them, take the old ones, and you get the new ones. So this is the first time I bought this one. I'm gonna put them here, and that's the last time I'm buying the brake pads. After that, I will be going back. When they wear out, I will be going back, get new ones, put them, and we go on. Or I buy these ones, and then I take these ones out, I drive to the store with the old ones, and I am given new brakes. We all had that. Yeah, that's one thing I've loved with this. I bought the front brakes before. It's now 5 years. Every year I've been going back to the same store, give the brakes, the old brakes back, and they get me the new one. If I am busy, I drive this car, I go to the store, I buy new brakes of the same type, come back home, change them, take the old ones to the store, and I am refunded my money back. I love that. This happens in America, and I love it. Some countries where we come from, you'll never have such opportunity. And if I don't like this one, I can take it back to the store and I get my money back. Some places, once you buy, even before you leave the door, and you change your mind that you want the brake, or you get a phone call that the money is needed, the money you used for the brakes is needed for something else. Maybe somebody's in the hospital, or maybe food, to buy food home, and you go back to the owner of the shop and say, please sir, I think I made a mistake. I bought this stuff, but I really don't need it right now because I need that money for something else. Please, can you refund me the money back? They will say they don't even know you anymore once you buy that thing, even before you leave the store. And you've already given out the money. That's yours, you have to deal with it. So I'm very happy about this part, that you can buy something, if you don't like it, or you go home and you try, like a cloth, you try and you don't like it, you can take it back to the store and you get your money. That's the freedom we enjoy here. That's the love of this country that we can't take for granted. Yes, so these ones, I'm gonna fix them here, and then from now onwards, anytime I have problem with these brakes, or they are worn out, they are done, I take them back to the store, and they give me my money back. Okay, we talked enough. I've explained to you more. than you need to know. So we're gonna start to work, and I'll get you through this as we go to work now. So this is security, yes, in case of anything, it lands there. So then I work on this tires. Yes, so that's the brake. That's the brake. Yeah, that's the rotor. And these are the brakes. Here, this one. So it's really gone. It's almost empty. So I'm gonna take them out and then I'll show you how it is. By taking it out, we're gonna open this bolt here, this one here, and then take it out, and then we flip it off, take the brakes out, these ones out, and then put the new one in. That's it. And then we go to the other side, we do the same thing. Okay, let's move on. Okay, I love this tool. Look, it has so many options in there, and even this side, bigger, smaller, all fits in. So this is the one that we use to get this one out, this one here. So we're just gonna put it here and open it. This side. Just this one, take this one out. Then you just open this one up like that. Then you have to squeeze this one in, because this one will, this is the hydraulic, it stays up here because the brake was worn and was all the way up here. So you have to push it back so that the brakes, the new ones, can go in. So you have to use something to push it back slowly. Make sure it's going back. Then you take out these brakes. See this one and this one. slowly. Push it out slowly. Until it's out. That's it. Okay. So this was the outside one. See how it's worn out? And this was the inside one. You see, it's still there, but since this one was wearing off, it's just very worn out like a blade. It's just so small like a blade. So we have to, that's why we are replacing it with the old one. So if you don't want to make a mess, just make sure that you have this one on the inside. Put it in the inside there. Put this one on the outside there. Get the new one, put them in the same position, tap back, and you're good to go. Yeah, so this is the inside one. If we compare these two, you see, let's compare them this way. You can see this one is still new and this one is worn out completely. So that is dangerous. When you're driving, you need to change it. So I'm gonna put this one where this one was, and this one, and the new one. So that was there. Yeah. This one there. So you take the same type like that. And you put it back there. So that is done. So we're gonna take these clips and also put them where the other one is. So this one, I'm gonna take this one out like that. Squito. Yeah, so take this one out. You can put them back or put the new one. So. Squeeze the hydraulic back in. You have to do that. Okay. Now the hydraulic is straight. So we can put the old one here. The new one. This is the new one now. Okay. Bam. And the old one. The old one goes back in there. That's it. Camera back in. There we go. Push this one in here. That's it. Brake is down. Did the brake. One down. Just have to screw it back in nicely. Just changing the brakes. Okay, so that's it. Did it. And then you put this one back here. Tighten it. Tighten it. Good. Okay, that's done. Brake finish. So in next time, these ones you take them back to the shop and you get a new one, or you get your money refunded. So I'm gonna show you what I did. Last time I changed the brakes. I bought the brakes in 2 places and I got life warranty in both of them. So right now I have 2 brakes flying there, waiting for any time to change. Those are the front brake though, so the front ones I can always change them anytime because I have extra one. In case of anything, and they have got some security. So that's it. So this is Ruby the mechanic at work, and we are doing it. It's working. Pull this one out. Down there. Quickly. Get our smart tool here. And open this one. No. Yeah, this one. Don't ever touch this one. This one. So never touch this one. This one here. This is the hydraulic line. If you touch it, you'll be forced to do some bleeding, which is very hard. Needs professional to help you do that. So this is the only thing I do. Get this bolt out. Put a new one and we're good to go. You just take it out anytime, anti-clockwise. Yes, it's tight, very tight. Very tight. I got to apply some power carefully. Ignite it a little bit. And then, there we go. Okay, done. Did it. Take this one out, push the brakes in, put a new one, good to go. Okay, and pull this one out. Yep, that's it. Then take the brakes out. Yeah, I want to make it look easy. Careful you don't get hurt. I need something like a screw, something to pull it out a little bit. Yeah, that way. Push it out slowly. Slide it in here. And they're still there, but since I'm changing the brakes, why not? And I have 3 new brakes. Why not? Yeah, this one is still good, but have new brakes. Why not? How we say it, that's how we do it. Yeah. So see, these are the new brakes. So compare them. That's the job well done by Arubi the mechanic. Today Arubi is the mechanic. So we did the front tires. Already we changed the brakes and I rotated the tires. The front one is back, the back one is front. And this one is also done. We did it. So what we're gonna do the next one. 2 left, 2 more to do. And then we are done. So good job so far. We did it. Here. Okay. I'm gonna open this one here. It's our best friend to work on. Okay, that's it. Open it, take it out, and bang, be done. Bring this one back. When you open, take these ones out, just like this. Brakes on. One side is good, one side is not good. So still gonna take them out because we have lifetime warranty. How do you do that? that. Put all new ones. Yeah, this side is more eaten, is more chewed than the other one, so we're gonna still have to take them out. This go here, and then I'm gonna bring the new one. That's it. Brakes done, brakes changed. Okay, yep, almost there. Put the clips both sides, put the liquid, the grease, and done. Yes, so this is what we are doing here. Right now we just removed the tire. The tire is here, and now we've inspected the area. It's good, everything looks good. I've put a new brakes, this one here, and it's intact, good. And the other one, now we're going to the front one. That part is done. Now 3 down, 1 more. I had to improvise this because the jack was too low, so that's how we did it. You have to improvise and do some things that you got to do if you have to do them. So that's how we do it. Continue watching. Well, thank you for watching. This is Uncle Ruby. Ruby here as a mechanic today. We just changed the brakes of the car brakes. Just change the brakes on both, or all around, back, front, everything is done. So thank you for watching. That's how we change the brakes and rotate the tires, take them in front and back, and that's how we do it. Thank you for watching. This is Arubi, the mechanic. Today Arubi the mechanic has just finished the job, and keep subscribing, watching, comment, and thank you so much for everything. I'll take you to the next project because it's all about the projects that Arubi does. Thank you. Keep watching the next. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.